Meaning of entertainer.
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 Entertainer. An entertainer is a person who provides enjoyment to an audience through various forms of performance, such as music, theater, comedy, magic, and dance. Entertainers often use their talents and skills to create a fun, engaging environment that captivates and delights their audience. They may perform in various venues, such as theaters, concert halls, nightclubs, and even on the street. Overall, the role of an entertainer is to bring joy and entertainment to people through their art, and to provide an escape from daily life through the power of performance.